Okay, good evening students. Today we are going to learn how to draw the logo figures. Okay, so this is the desktop. Okay, and this is MSW logo. So we have to double click on it. After double clicking on it, one window will appear. From here you have to press OK. After that, second window will appear. Again you have to press OK. Then this type of screen will appear on your desktop. Clear? Now this screen, this one, the white one, big one, this is called the graphic screen. Okay, and the below one, this one is called the text screen, means commander window. This is called the graphic window and this is called the commander window. Okay, so we have to click on the commander window. Clear? Now first we have to increase the font size. Wait, in that way we can increase the font size also. So this is the font size. Okay, now we have to click on the commander window over here. Now in logo there are various kinds of commands: FD, BK, RT, LT, ST, HT. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to draw the various figures on the logo. This is a triangle in shape, one thing. This thing is called the turtle of the logo. Okay, so this is the head of the turtle and this is the tail of the turtle. We can move this turtle. This side means forward, this direction means right hand side, these directions mean left hand side, and also we can move the turtle in the backward side also by the using of the FD, RT, LT and BK command, right? So now first of all we have to draw this figure. Clear? So over here, if I'm going to give you the FD command, just see FD. Okay, then we have to write over here 100 means forward 100 steps. Now after writing FD 100, then we have to press the enter key, and when we press the enter key, the turtle will move 100 steps forward. When it is moving from here to here, then it will draw a line. Now see, this line and this picture is same, so in that way we can draw a straight line. Clear? Now you can see the turtle over here. We have to disappear the turtle from the graphic screen. Clear? Now if you want to disappear the turtle from the graphic screen, you have to write over here in the commander window HT, then enter. Then you can't see the turtle over here. See, it is disappeared. Now next we have to draw second figure, that is like this. Okay, so how to draw this figure? First we have to clear the screen. So if we want to clear the graphic screen, this is called the graphic screen. We have to draw various figures in the graphic screen and we have to put various kinds of commands. We can type various kinds of commands in that commander window. Clear? So if we want to clear the graphic screen, means if we want to wrap the drawing, then we have to write over here CS. CS means clear screen. Now press the enter, then this picture will disappear. Clear? Now if we want to clear this text, so we have to write CT, means clear text. After giving the CT command, then we have to press the enter key, then this kind of text will disappear also. Clear? Now we have to draw the second figure. Our second figure is this one. So first of all we have to draw a straight line. So if we want to draw a straight line, we have to write here FD 100. Okay, sorry, one thing I forgot to give. First of all, you can't see the turtle in the graphic screen, so we have to write over here ST. After writing the ST, then the turtle will reappear on the graphic screen. Now if we want to draw this figure, so we have to give, first we have to move the turtle forward 100 steps. So FD 100. Okay, then enter. Now the turtle is coming from this side, means from this direction to this direction. Now this is the turtle head. Now we have to turn the turtle right hand side, means this side. This is the right hand side, this is the turtle head. So turtle right hand side is this direction, is the right side, and this is the left hand side. So we have to turn the turtle this side, this. So that's why we are going to give here RT 90. Enter. Now the turtle is turning his head in the right hand direction. Okay, now again we have to draw a straight line. So if we want to draw a straight line, what command is helping to draw the straight line? FD 100. Enter. Now this picture and this picture is same, so in that way we can draw this picture on the logo. Now again we have to hide the turtle. For hiding the turtle, we have to write over here SHT. Okay, now see, clear? Again we have to draw the third figure. The third figure is like this. So we have to clear the graphic screen and the text screen also. So write over here CS for clear the graphic screen, then CT for clearing the commander window, and then ST means we have to reappear the turtle on the graphic screen. Clear? Now we have to draw this figure, this one. So first of all we have to move the turtle forward, so that's why we are going to give FD space 100. See, now the turtle will turn the left hand side. This is the turtle head, this is the left hand side. Okay, so we have to turn this turtle's head in the left hand direction. That's why we are going to give LT 90. Enter. Now the turtle is turning his head in the left hand directions. Now again we have to draw a straight line. So if we want to draw a straight line in that left hand side direction, so FD 100. Okay, enter. Now see, this figure and this figure is same. We have to hide the turtle. So if you want to hide the turtle, what will we have to do? We have to write over here HT. See, the turtle is hiding. Now we have to clear the graphic screen. So CS over here, again CT for clearing the commander window, then ST. Now we have to draw this figure. This is the fourth figure. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a straight line. FD FD 100. Okay, now we have to turn the turtle in the right hand directions, means these directions. So RT 90. Again we have to forward the turtle in that direction, so FD 100 again. Now the turtle is coming in this directions. Now see, this is the turtle head. We have to turn the turtle right hand side, means if the turtle his head is this, then its right hand side is this side and left hand side is this side. Okay, so we have to turn the turtle head this side. So that's why we have to give RT 90. See, the turtle head is coming in this side. Again we have to draw a straight line. So FD 100. Okay, now HT. Now this figure and this figure is same. Okay, so we have to clear the screen, so that's why we have to give CS then CT to clear the commander window, then ST to reappear the turtle on the graphic screen. Our fifth figure is very simple, this one. So we can draw this kinds of figure in two ways. First of all, we have to turn the turtle in this side. That's why we have to give first RT 90. Okay, then we have to draw a straight line in that direction, this direction. That's why we have to give FD 100, then HT. Okay, now this figure means this line, this picture and this picture is same. We can draw the same picture in different way. How to do it? Let's see. First we have to give CS, then CT, then ST. First of all, we have to turn the turtle in the left hand direction, means this side. So we have to give over here LT 90. Okay, now we have to draw a line in that direction. So FD 100. Now we have to hide the turtle. For hiding the turtle, we have to write over here HT. Clear? Now this picture and this picture is same. In that way, in logo we can draw various kinds of figures. Clear? And one more thing, MSW logo. This kind of software you can download from the internet. Just go to the Google, write over there in the Google search engine, write over there free download MSW logo. Free download MSW logo. Then various kinds of links will appear. Choose the first link or choose the second link, then you can see the software over there. Now you can download the software from that site. Clear? And after downloading the software, you can install the software in your computer. Clear? And the MSW logo full form is Microsoft Windows logo. And after downloading and installing the software, means MSW logo in your computer, you can draw this kinds of picture in the computer very easily. Okay.